Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Mini Toy Brands Advent Calendar is probably one of the most exciting ways to count down to the holidays, offering a delightful surprise each day with a miniature version of a popular toy, making it a perfect gift for collectors and kids alike who love discovering new treasures and reliving cherished childhood memories with these tiny, collectible wonders. Number 5. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2. Get ready to discover over 130 miniatures of your favorite brands. You might even find some of your most beloved ones. Experience the excitement of unwrapping, peeling, and revealing 5 unique surprises inside. It's a delightful unboxing adventure every time. Keep an eye out for special editions. Can you find the rare metallic or glow-in-the-dark versions? There are even super rare gold ones to discover. Collect 6 different miniature shopping accessories. These are perfect for storing and displaying your finds, helping you create your own tiny shopping universe. Each package contains 2 5 Surprise Mini Brands capsules. Get ready for double the fun and double the surprises. What we like? This one offers the largest variety of brands to collect. If you are looking to start a vast collection or want to recreate a miniature shopping experience, this is the one for you. It includes accessories to build your own world. What people say? The items feel like tiny versions of real-life products. It's both nostalgic and entertaining. The size is perfect for displaying on a shelf or for small hands to play with, and the quality of the minis is surprisingly sturdy for their size. These will expand your child's imagination and spark their creativity. Number 4. 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brands Series 1 by ZURU, 2-pack. Get ready for the ultimate unboxing experience. Each capsule is packed with surprises, bringing your favorite brands to life in miniature form. There are so many to discover. You can collect over 70 different miniatures from popular household brands. Look out for favorites like Skippy, Dove, and Pez. Can you find the ultra-rare collectibles? Keep an eye out for metallic and glow-in-the-dark versions, and even super rare gold minis. Each capsule contains 4 miniature brand toys and 1 surprise shopping accessory. It's a whole new world of collecting. This Amazon exclusive comes with 2 capsules, doubling the fun and the chances to complete your collection. Start your miniature brand adventure today. What we like? This is a great entry point for new collectors with a good selection of popular brands. If you enjoy the classic unboxing thrill and want to start a manageable collection, this is a solid choice. What people say? My son can't get enough of the thrill of unboxing and discovering which miniature brands he'll find inside. These would be great for any little girl who plays with Barbies to set up a whole grocery store. Great for any little boy who plays with Hot Wheels that can set up a grocery store to stop by. All the parts were with the doll and it was a great price for the quality. Number 3. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 3 Advent Calendar. Get ready for the biggest collection of mini brands ever. Inside this advent calendar, you'll discover 24 adorable Series 3 mini brands to add to your collection. Will you be lucky enough to find rare mini brands? Unbox them all to find out what treasures await you. You'll also find 6 exclusive mini brands that you can't find anywhere else. These are special additions to your collection. This is a limited edition item, so don't miss out. Hurry and get this ultimate collector's assortment while supplies last. Experience the excitement of unboxing 24 mini brands, including exclusive and rare finds. It's the perfect way to expand your collection. Dive into Series 3 with this special Advent calendar. It's packed with all the fun and surprises you love. What we like? This is the ultimate collector's item for the holiday season. If you are a dedicated fan looking for exclusive items and a festive way to expand your collection, this limited edition Advent calendar is perfect. What people say? They look just like the real items and are so full of detail. So much fun to see them. They are so real-like. It is really fun for all ages, my kids, and I love getting these and having fun to see who gets the gold and rare ones. So much fun and is a great gift as well. Number 2. 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brand Collector's Kit. Embark on an exciting collecting journey with this all-in-one package. It's the perfect starting point for any aspiring collector. Experience the thrill of shrinking your favorite toy brands. Unwrap, peel, and reveal 5 mystery miniatures in every capsule. What surprises await you inside? There are more than 100 miniature toys and accessories to discover. Keep an eye out for special editions like glow-in-the-dark and gold versions. These tiny treasures are ideal for collecting, swapping with friends, or even creating your own miniature toy world. The possibilities are endless. Can you find the elusive rare glow-in-the-dark and shimmery miniatures? Dare to seek out the super rare gold ones too. What we like? This option is ideal for those who want to organize their collection from the start. If you love toy miniatures and want a dedicated case to store and display them, this collector's kit is the way to go. What people say. It had so many different mini brands. Super cute. The items are cute and are exactly what it is called, mini brands. The quality of the items and how they are made is done very well. These mini brands are like the original. One ball breaks into 5 slices separately packaged. Number 1. Mini Brands Advent Calendar by ZURU. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience. This advent calendar is packed with 24 days of delightful surprises. Discover a variety of iconic minis from different series. It's the perfect opportunity to complete your collection. You'll find both foodie and toy mini brands waiting to be unboxed. Expand your collection with these fun miniatures. Looking for the perfect gift for a collector? This advent calendar offers the ultimate unboxing thrill. Each day reveals a new mystery collectible. Check off your finds with the included collector's guide. Don't miss out on this limited edition advent calendar. It's filled with 24 unique minis to discover. What we like? This advent calendar provides a fantastic mix of different mini brands categories. If you want to diversify your collection with both food and toy miniatures, and are looking for a daily surprise leading up to a holiday, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Packed with 24 mystery minis, this advent calendar adds an element of surprise and joy to the holiday season, keeping the excitement alive every day. Includes a mix of mini brands, mini toys, and foodie mini brands, catering to a variety of interests. Each collectible is crafted with impressive attention to detail, adding value for avid collectors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.